Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man, and on today's video we are going to be learning how to create this icon using PixelLab. All the effect that you see on this icon, we are going to learn how to create this effect on PixelLab today. Okay, if this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content. We have dropped series of videos similar like this that will help boost your creativity skills on logo designs. Okay, thank you, and let's get started. So first of all, I need to get rid of this. Okay, and then I'm going to bring out my sketch, and then of course I'm going to just change my background color to white. Okay, so I will see clearly what I'm vectorizing. The next thing I need to do is to work on my grid lines. Okay, I've said this over and over again. I think there's no need to make more emphasis on this. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to position my grid lines where they are supposed to be, and then just watch me and see how I do that. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to show you what I just did now. So at each and every point at the center here, I'm going to make sure I create a cross with my grid lines. Okay, at the points here. So when I select my circle shape, it's going to get it magnetized. So this is what I just did now. So I'm going to check my magnet, and then here I'm not going to make use of my BEIZER tool today. I'm going to make use of my shape. So I'm going to select my shape tool, which is this. So I'm going to select my shape, and then here I'm going to tap and select, that is my circle shape. So I'm going to resize it, and then I'm going to adjust it until it fits into the position. So this is good. I'm going to check. Okay, now I'm going to go here and then reduce my opacity. Then I'm going to as well go to my my color, and then my gradient. So this is the gradient that I choose for this. So I'm going to show you the color code of the gradients in case you want to make use of them. It's not going to be difficult for you. So for the blue gradient, so this is the color code. So you can just decide to copy this and use it for your own. So you get exactly the same thing I'm using. So and for this one, we have this color code here. So this is it. So you can just copy or type the color code. This F5. F4 FA. Okay, just type it on your open your PixelLab and type it here, and then tap OK, and then check OK. You are going to get the same color palette that I used. Okay, I'm going to tap OK, and this is it. So after this, now I'm going to make sure I check OK. I'm going to make a copy as well. Okay, make a copy, and then I'm going to drag it and place it here. Okay, I'm going to make another copy. We'll send this one to the back. I'm going to drag this and place it here, and I'm going to make another copy. I'm going to drag it and place it here. So this one I'm going to send it to the back, right? So and I'm going to make the last copy, which is the where we're going to do a little more work here. So for this one that I have at the top now, I'm going to make sure I just lock these ones here. Okay, I'm just going to lock it and leave only this one. So here I'm going to make sure I select this last one that I just picked now. So I'm going to tap on my mask tool. So you can see the mask here. So this is it. So just tap on it, and then you can just check this on, so that if you click out, you are going to have the inside of the mask selected, and if you turn out, you have the outside of the mask selected. So I'm going to just turn it out. Okay, so here I'm going to drag. Okay, I'm going to drag and put this one here, and then I'm going to do one more thing for myself here. I'm going to I'm going to use my grid lines again to make some selections here. Okay, when I'm done with that, I'm going to just zoom it in a little, and then here I'm going to make some little adjustment. Just see how I do it, play around with how I do it now. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to just check okay. I'm just going to zoom out, and then here I'm going to go back and then select and then increase the opacity of each of these elements that I already have here. So here I'm gradually going to just get back my vector to select this last one, and then make sure I increase the opacity as well to this. So this is how we got our vectors. I'm going to do one more last thing. I'm going to select the 5 images that we want to we created, and then merge them together into one object. Here is how we got to this point. Now I can go ahead and then select my background, which is a default background for this app, just like I saw it on Google Play Store. So I'm going to select, and then this is how we got this logo. In case this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content. We have dropped series of video tutorials like this, similar like this, that will help boost your creativity skills on logo design. And in case you are just getting started with learning BEIZER 2 on PixelLab, we have dropped introduction to BEIZER 2 on PixelLab tutorial. Check the description of this video to get started. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Namaste.